They say experience is the best teacher, but let's be honest. Who has 30 years to waste on trial and error? What if you could skip decades of mistakes and absorb the most powerful business lessons in just 7 minutes? That's exactly what you're about to get. These are battle-tested insights from real entrepreneurs, investors, and billionaires. The things that separate winners from those who struggle. Stay with me until the end, because lesson number 7 is the ultimate game changer. Without it, success is nearly impossible. Let's dive in.
Most entrepreneurs build what they love, not what the market wants.
But here's the hard truth. Your opinion doesn't matter, your customers do. If they don't need your product, you don't have a business, you have an expensive hobby. Take Netflix. They didn't just love streaming, they listened to consumer demand and adapted. Success isn't about what you want to sell, it's about what people are willing to buy. But even with the perfect product, you can still fail if you ignore lesson number 2. Most businesses don't fail because of bad ideas, they fail because they run out of cash. You can have a profitable business, but if your cash flow is negative, you're on borrowed time. Always have at least 6 months of operating expenses in cash. Get paid up front whenever possible. Subscription models work best. A business without cash flow is like a car with an empty gas tank. It doesn't matter how good the engine is, you won't go far. Now let's talk about the biggest growth trap. Lesson number 3. Everyone wants to scale fast, but here's the truth. Scaling too soon can destroy your business. If your systems, customer service, or cash flow can't handle rapid growth, you'll collapse under your own success. Amazon didn't start with global warehouses, it scaled strategically step by step. Focus on sustainable growth, not just speed. But even with smart scaling, your success depends on lesson number 4. The wrong team can destroy a great business faster than any competitor. Hire slowly and carefully, look for people who align with your vision, not just skills. But if someone hurts the business, let them go immediately. A single toxic employee can cost you time, money, and culture. But even the best team won't save you if you ignore lesson number 5. No matter your industry, you are in sales. If you can't sell your product, your vision, or yourself, you'll always struggle. Sales isn't about convincing people, it's about understanding their pain points and offering a real solution. The most successful entrepreneurs are not the best product makers, they're the best salespeople. But to create true wealth, you need lesson number 6. Rich people don't trade time for money, they use leverage. Financial leverage using investors or banks' money, time leverage hiring employees, outsourcing, media leverage using content to reach millions. If you're doing everything yourself, you're stuck in a job, not a business. But none of this matters if you don't master the final lesson, lesson number 7. Most people overestimate what they can do in a year, but underestimate what they can do in a decade. Amazon took years to turn a profit. Tesla struggled for over a decade. The biggest mistake? Chasing quick money instead of lasting wealth. Short-term thinkers burn out, make bad decisions, and struggle forever. The real winners? They think long-term and build something unshakable. Business isn't about luck. It's about learning, adapting, and taking action. Which of these lessons hit you the hardest? Drop a comment below. And if you want more powerful business strategies, click this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe, because your journey to financial freedom starts now.